Okay, and pen in the Scratch software. See here, before going to class, I want to give little bit knowledge on the mathematical shapes. You can see here. Here, suppose if I am taking the dot, okay, for this dot, only one dot only. Suppose if you take the two dots here, okay, suppose here, 1 second, I will take like this, that will be better. So this is the one dot, okay, and these are the two dots here. And here I am taking the three dots. Here I am taking the four dots. Okay, now see here, if it is a one dot, okay, it is called just single dot only. But if it is a two dots, if you draw one line combining with this one, this is called line. Okay, line. So because two dots are there, two means die. Okay, so three means try. So that's why it is called triangle. Okay, and if you take the four dots combination, then you can call it as a square, or else you can call tetra. Okay, triangle, tetraangle. This is the. Okay, suppose if you take the 5, then pentagon, like that you can call it. See, one dot, actually the number of angles here. Angle means like a shape. See, we are turning like a 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 90 degrees now. So those degrees only, this thing, angle is degrees. Okay, we can measure in angle means like a, suppose any any line is there. If you draw one more line like this, so what is the measurement of here? Suppose if you want to measure from here to here, you can measure in centimeters. Okay, this is the first time you are hearing these words now. Now can hear it. Suppose if you want to measure the height, if you want to measure the distance, you can measure in centimeters. But
Sir,
yeah, Jashwit,
I am came.
okay.
I came.
Listen this one. Listen this one. Okay. See, if you want to measure anything like a length means like a, what is your height? So you can tell, okay, sir, 3 feet, sir, 2 feet, sir, like that. If you want to measure some distance from here to Vijayawada, how much distance? 350 kilometers. From Vijayawada to some like a, some other one, like a bench circle to bus stand, how many kilometers? 2.5 kilometers. Like that we are saying. But if you want to measure this angle here, okay, so how can we measure? Actually, we can measure in degrees. Okay, you can measure in degrees. Actually, if you see here, for single dot, it is a 360 degrees. Okay, so if you take it for here, one line here, it is a 180 degrees. So 360 divided by 2, if you do it, so how many things are coming? 2. 360 divided by 2 means 180. So again, if you make 360 divided by 3 means like a 360 divided by 3, how much it will come? I would think 120 like that, 90 it will come. So if I explain like this, again you will be confused. So what we do, just I will we can make it these shapes using the our Scratch programming. Okay, that is our task today. Now I'm sharing the Scratch. Okay, suppose in the last session we learn about the how to talk. This class we are going to learn about the how to write. Suppose now here I write it like a move 10 steps. Just I clear like this, move 10 steps. But I'm missing it is moving or not. So I want to put some pin. I want to attach some pin to this one. Now you can see here how to attach that one. Here I'm taking this one extension block. Where I went here in the part 2 session. Okay, in the part 2 session, category of blocks are there now. In the category of blocks, you can come down. There is a extension, add extension block is there. You can click on that one. Okay, here music, pen, video sensing, so many extensions are there. You can check the pen. So see, what are the blocks in pen? erase all, stamp, pen down, pen up, set pen color to, change pen, set pen, change pen size. Like suppose what is this block? If you write anything already, you want to erase is all things, it will be helpful. Stamp means like every time you want to write something, then it will be helpful. Pen down. See, pen down means you are keeping pen on the paper, na? So that one. Pen up means if you just apply your pen and try to write in here, it will not come. So that one. Okay, where you should do, see somewhere, see from here to here I need to write that one. From here to here I want to up. I don't want to write. So at the time from here to here pen down you can keep, from here to here pen up you can keep, like that. So what is the color? What is the size? Okay. Next, like if you want to change the color in middle, so change color by set pen color. Suppose if you want to select from here, you can select it. Or size, how much ink you want to write it little bit larger one, you want to make like a thin one. So which one you want to make? You can give by size number also. So these are the options are there. Now just I want to check it out. I am writing here pen down, and I'm checking here. See here, it is writing like this. Okay, if I keep it here like this. So suppose if I keep like this, okay, like a pen down and pen up and move 10 steps. Suppose if I keep it like this, so what will happen? You can see now. See here, these 10 steps, pen down. Again, pen up, I made it now, so it is moving also, it is not writing. So again, it is coming like this. Okay, this way we can make the thing. Now in this class, I want to use this section blocks. I want to draw the shapes. Okay, so I will tell you one small logic. That will be, so just before only I explained that one. See, if you want to draw, see here, everything is there. If you want to clear all the things, here erase all button is there. You can press this thing, then it will be erase all things. Yeah. Now again come to a point. Now I want to draw different shapes. Different shapes means like a square. First thing is the line. Okay, first thing is I will make it line. So from line onwards we will start.
So the scratch open is on.
When flag is clicked, okay, when flag is clicked, I want to make a line. So how can I make a line? Like a pen down button. First of all, I need to use the pen down. Okay, and here move some 50 steps. I will use it. Move like 100 steps. Okay, now you can see I can put my scratch here and I can play it. So it will draw the line, simple line. Okay, suppose I want to draw one more line, I can draw it. So before drawing anything, I want to erase the thing, then I can make it like this. See, it will draw like this. It will draw like this. The old one, it will be delete because erase all is there, na? So that's why. So it will delete like this. Now, what I want to do now, I want to make a like a two sides. Two sides means after moving 10 steps, you should be turn 90 degrees, like a turn 90 degrees, and again move 100 steps. See what will happen. Like here I will keep the weight button also, then you can understand easily what is happening. Okay, without 8 button you can see what is happened, then you can see. Now see here, it is coming like this. Suppose if you keep the weight button here, okay, now see here, but I need to give the starting position. So starting position you can give. What is the starting place and starting position you can give? Okay, point in direction 90 you can give like this. Now see here, it will draw like this. Suppose I want to make a triangle. So I want to draw the three sides. So how can I do? Again turn 90 degrees. Okay, again turn 90 degrees, and again I want to make it like a move 100 steps. Okay, now see here how it is coming. So 3 times it is coming like this. So I want to complete the square means how can I complete it? Like again turn 90 degrees. Where is the turn? So 4, because square means 4 thing is there, then I can make it 4. Now see here, weight blocks also I will use. So same code I write it 4 times. Now I will remove this one like this. Now see what is happened here. You can see. It is not visible now, so I'm keeping my spirit here and I'm seeing it. So it is drawing the square. Okay. So for it is a square, actually I put the 90 degrees, but it is a rectangle. If it is a triangle I want to draw, triangle means how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. Okay, for 3 sides means I need to make it 120, like a 120. Okay, and one more is 120. I can make it here like this, and I can remove the last one. Now you can see here. See, it is making the triangle. Okay, square means I need to add like a 4 times. So instead of this one, what I want to make, okay, what I want to make, I want to introduce you today one more topic. So what is the topic, you know? First I will explain, after that I will give the time to you. Like asking question and taking the answer. So how to do that one? If you go to sensing, there is a one thing is there. Ask what is your name. Okay, so if you ask your name, like it will ask what is your name. You can tell. Suppose I will tell the Jeshwit. Jeshwit I will tell. Okay, now if I tell and if I click on this button, what will happen? It will read that answer. Suppose after that we can say here, and you can keep the answer. Where is the sensing? You can go and there here answer you can keep. And here you can do one thing. Hello. Say hello. Jeshwit. Now see here what is happened. Now if I click on the flag, so if I, this time I'm keeping the Krishal. Krishal. Suppose if I keep then hi Krishal, it is saying. So whatever the giving I mean giving the input, it is taking. Okay. So this we can make it using this one quiz also. Quiz one in the next class, next session I will explain to you. This session I'm going to make like a one application. So it will ask how many sides you want to draw. If you say I want to draw triangle, I mean 3 sides I want to draw, it will draw the triangle. If you say 4 sides, it will draw rectangle. If you want to say 5, then it will draw the pentagon. So how to do that one? Just I will just explain now. Now see here, everybody, we need to start from here. So what I'm doing here, first I am clearing everything. Now this is the activity we are going to do today. When flag is clicked, first of all ask how many sides you want to draw. Okay, ask here what is the thing, how many sides you want to draw, and wait. Suppose if I click it, then it will ask like this, how many sides you want to draw. Suppose if you give 2, okay, and enter, it will draw one line. Suppose if you give 3, okay, so if you enter, then it will make the triangle. So we will make this application. How to make that one? Simple. I told you before now, the total thing is 360. 360 divided by how many sides you are giving, that shape it will come. Now what we need to do here, simple thing. Okay, like a repeat you can take it. Okay, repeat you can take it. In this repeat, what you need to do, you can keep answer. How many sides you want to draw, that many times we need to repeat the block. Okay, suppose if you want to draw 2 sides, then 2 times. If you want to draw triangle, 3 sides are there, then 3. If you want to draw square means, Krishal, how many things are there? Square means how many sides are there? 4.
4, sir.
So 4 times we need to draw like this. So what to draw? Simple thing. Here first of all you need to put it pen down because we need to draw the shape. So pen down you can put it. And the next thing is like a move. Okay, move 100 steps you can keep. And the next thing is turn. Okay, here we are getting the problem. Turn 15 degrees, if you keep it, it will be wrong. See, suppose if you draw it, if I make it true, if I click on the enter button, just you will draw like this one. Suppose if I click it 3 button, 3, if I give it 3 and if I click on the enter button, just it is drawing like this. So I don't want like that. So I want exact one. So for that purpose, what I told before, just we need to divide, okay, 360 by our answer. Our answer is number. So this is the logic. Yes. Now see the logic. Now I need to put the clear also. There is a clear option. Yeah, erase all is there. No, erase all. You will keep it. Now, and I need to drag my spirit also starting position. So here I'm taking this one starting position. Just this is the starting position, and it should be in the pointing direction 90. That's it. Other than this one, nothing is there. Now, how many sides you want to draw? Suppose if I want to draw 2, okay. See, it will draw. If I make it 2 and if I enter button, so it will draw the line. Suppose if I make the 3 and if I click on the enter button, so triangle it is coming. Suppose if I give the 4, okay, it is making a square. Okay, it is going very fast now. So that's why what you need to do, you can put it weight block here. Then you can see the result. Now I want to draw 5 sides. 5 I will keep and I will play it here. So now I want to draw 6. Now I want to draw 6. See now how it will be working or not. You can add background sound also. Okay, so this is the thing. Now you can try now. Okay, you can try now. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to use the pen. Okay, draw a line, try to draw a line, and then next you can use this program to create the different shapes. Okay, and you can try different color also. Set pen color you can keep. Okay, set pen color you can keep. And what is the color you want to keep? Okay, like a red color if you want to keep. So suppose if I give the 10, you will see.
That is big. It is big.
So 10 means it is coming this shape.